Dirty money. It sounds mysterious, maybe even powerful, but what does it really mean? In this video, we'll explain dirty money in the simplest way possible, using a short story about a character named Alex. What is dirty money? Dirty money is money that comes from illegal or dishonest activities. This can include things like fraud, corruption, bribery, scams, or tax evasion. The money itself looks normal, same cash, same banknotes, but the way it was earned makes it dirty. Meet Alex, the example. Alex runs a small business. Instead of reporting all his income, he hides some of it to avoid paying taxes. That hidden money becomes dirty money because it was earned by breaking the law. How dirty money is cleaned. People with dirty money often try to make it look legal. This process is called money laundering. For example, Alex uses the hidden money to buy fake invoices or sends it through multiple bank accounts so it looks like normal business income. Why dirty money is dangerous. Dirty money hurts everyone. Governments lose tax revenue, honest businesses can't compete, and criminals become more powerful. That's why countries have strict laws to track and stop it. Final message. Real wealth is built with clean money, earned honestly, invested wisely, and grown over time. Dirty money may feel powerful at first, but it always comes with a cost.